This is a short walkthrough video of number 20 Elk Path in 3 Mile Cross, a 2-bedroom end of terraced home within walking distance of local shops. There's a Budgeons nearby. There's also child's play area within the development. Really nice location for families or professional couples. Short drive from the Mere Oak Park and Ride as well. Just before we go inside, a couple of things to note. The property does have a side access into the garden, which is really useful when it comes to getting rid of all your garden waste and bringing out things like push bikes. In addition to that, there is a double length parking space just here, specifically allocated to the property. And you can see here, this is the entrance. Okay, so let's take a walk inside and have a look at the property in question. So we've got an entrance hall with doors off to all the usual rooms. So if I spin left, show you there's a downstairs WC. Stairs obviously to my left to the first floor. In here we have the kitchen, which is very nicely presented, modern range of units. It's got built-in slimline dishwasher and a washing machine, as well as gas hob and electric oven there just in front of me. Okay, and then the living room, which again is a nice size. Lounge diner, patio doors, double doors there out to the garden. There's a patio with lawn and decking at the far boundary and a garden shed. And then there's an understairs cupboard in the corner there as well. So there's 2 double bedrooms. Current owners use the rear bedroom as the master. So again, just looking out over the garden. Again, all very nicely presented, very neutral. Across the landing, the second of the bedrooms, which has a cupboard just off to my right. A recess where the cot is, that could easily be used for some wardrobes. And finally the bathroom. So you've got shower mixer with shower mixer on the bath, WC and wash hand basin. Property is available for viewings with immediate effect, so if you'd like further details or to book a viewing in, please contact the office. We'll be very pleased to show you around. In the meantime, thank you for watching.